surprised myself. What's it? Sorry.
I think this might help.
That makes it easy, son of mine. Because daughter of mine's already there.
We've been invited to the dance.
Oh, staff entrance, I think, miss.
Yeah, well, think again, mate.
Please don't. Not again.
He's different from any other man you've ever met, right?
Yes.
And sometimes he says these strange things, like people in places you've never heard of, yeah? But it's deeper than that. Sometimes when you look in his eyes, you just know that there's something else in there. Something hidden. Right behind the eyes, something hidden away in the dark.
I don't know what you mean.
Yes, you do. I don't mean to be rude, but the awful thing is it doesn't even matter what you think. But you're nice, and you're lucky, and I just wanted to say sorry for what I'm about to do.
Oh, now, really, Martha, this is getting out of hand. I must insist that you leave.
Do you know what this is? Name it. Go on. Name it.
John, what is that silly thing? John?
You're not John Smith. You're called the Doctor. The man in your journal, he's real. He's you.
Either all. Spare a penny, sir.
I didn't spare you.
Mr. Clark, what's going on?
Mr. Smith, everything I told you, just forget it. Don't say anything.
We asked for silence!
Now then, we have a few questions for Mr. Smith.
No. Better than that. The teacher. He's a doctor. I heard them talking.
You took human form.
Of course I'm human. I was born human, as were you, Baines. And Jenny, and you, Mr. Clark. What is going on? This is madness.
Oh, and a human brain, too. Simple, thick, and dull.
But he's no good like this.
We need a Time Lord.
Easily done. Change back.
I don't know what you're talking about. Change back! I literally do not know.
Get off me! She's your friend, isn't she? Doesn't this scare you enough to change back?
I don't know what you mean.
Wait a minute. The maid told me about Smith and the matron.
That woman there.
Then let's have you.
Have you enjoyed it, Doctor? Being human? Has it taught you wonderful things? Are you better, richer, wiser? Then let's see you answer this. Which one of them do you want us to kill? Maid or matron? Your friend or your lover? Your choice.